In this TradingView tutorial, you will learn how to import all crypto coins to your TradingView watchlist. So whether you want to import spot or perpetual pairs to your watchlist, all you need to do is open TradingView. Then click here on the Show Panel option. In the panel, here you will see this option Exchange, click on it. It will be selected on any by default. So in this menu select the exchange where you trade. For example, I use Binance, so I select Binance Exchange. Now go to search and type USDT for spot pairs, or type USDT.P for perpetual pairs. If you trade Binance futures, then type USDT.P and press enter. It will give you all the futures trading pairs. Now to select all pairs, press Ctrl+A in your keyboard. Then right-click and click on the Add All selected to watchlist. That's it, here you can see that all the perpetual coins have been added to my watchlist. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.